sketchbooks, unfinished sketchbooks, full of space for new things, new and exciting things. I'll show you this one, and maybe we'll do the others another day. That's the front cover though of that one, and that's my name. That one's got nothing on it, some stuff inside, but we'll go with this one to start with, and maybe I'll do the others another day. I started this one probably months and months ago, and there's still loads of space in it. I might even do a drawing in it quickly using a pen if I feel like it, because I might not. This is the first page, front cover. This is the front cover. Little doodle there, some cross hatching, eye and a nose, funny little skull, dagger in the back of it. This is cool. I like this. That was done digitally, and then I got this like label printer thing and just printed it out, thermal sticker, and yeah, it's cool. Just it looks good. The first page, some skulls, classic skulls. These were done with if I can find it, these were done with this Lamy fountain pen, which is awesome. I do love this. Pretty expensive though, but really nice. I think that one might have been a study. I can't remember. This little derpy guy, he's funny. And they were all just all from my brain, from nothing, from thin air. I like the way on this one that you've got no detail, it's just a shape. That's cool. I like that. Some more bits here. I didn't die today. Oh, there's always tomorrow. Yes, that's good. That was again with this. It was straight with this as well. There was no pencil sketch or anything, or it was like just feeling it. I just felt that one. That one was felt. Doodle, scratchiness. That looks like something. Do you know what that reminds me of? I just watched Frankenstein, and the way that his hood is all over him. Victor. Yeah, that's what that reminds me of. Biro, green biro to start with on these sketches, and then that one looks like it's a bit of fine liner, micron or whatever, with some biro hatching. That's all biro. Biro pen. Just practicing hatching and stuff here, really. Just forms and patterns and shapes, just nothing really coherent at all, just complete chaos. That looks like a bit of brush pen with some hatching as well. Person. I was trying to draw some horses. That one, that's probably my favourite one there. These again, they were probably, I think they were from reference. Some pictures of horses I was looking at. I wanted to draw like a thing, like a scene with a horse in it and some undead warrior riding it, and I didn't draw it. That was as far as I got. A couple studies. Catfish type creature. An eye. There's some brush pen. That looks like the fountain pen again. Skull. Pretty heavy on the detail there. Just gets a bit lost what it is. I mean, you know what it is, but I mean, I look at it and I'm like, could be less. Could have done less. These are, that's all brush pen on there. And then there's a green biro sketch. Same here, green biro for the sketch, and then it was brush pen, and then biro, hatching. I like going to look. I like hatching with the biro. It does feel pretty good. Some little lines. Just trash, really. Just loads of trash. My sketchbook's always like this. There's no like I don't know, they're just a mess. Just little things like that. A bit of bicep. That I think was from a book I've got somewhere. I think there's some more of that later on. Terrible. I see little sketches like this and I'm like, wow, that's terrible. In my own head, maybe not to other people, I don't know, but I see it and I'm like, I feel like I was drawing like that a long time ago, and it makes me feel like I haven't improved, but it might have just been that it was a bad day. That's pretty cool. That I was trying to draw a goat and I wrote "what" next to it because it looks weird. I couldn't figure out how to draw it. It just looked like that. Terrible. I've probably never drawn a goat in my life as well, which doesn't help. But I didn't know how to do like it was a black goat, do you know, like the demonic ones. I didn't know how to do the goats have hair or fur? Hair, goat hair. I didn't know how to do the hair and make it look right, so it just became this mess. Weird face, eye really far apart. I don't understand why it's so difficult. Notes to myself. Same thing again. What? I don't understand. Tried to do it again, but it still didn't really work. Weird figure. Another weird face with a doodle around it. Little circle thingy. That's cool. I like that. Just little pencil-y bits. Pencil sketch thingy. I mean, looks like a body. You can see that there. Ooh. Nothing. Skull again, unfinished. Nothing. Same skull that I just did there and didn't like it, so I scribbled it out. Weird. That's excellent. Just loads of nothing. He looks like the Hound from Game of Thrones. What the hell? I call myself an artist. Look at that, I've got like 4 pages there of just this stupid thing. Empty pages. That's pretty cool. Some brush pen. I think I did that on a lunch break. That was inspired by the front cover of Heavy Metal magazine. Drawing by Skinner. And there it is again. Brush pen, just that's brush pen and biro on that one. And that's it. That's the end of that sketchbook. How exciting was that? And there was a couple of good bits in there. There was mostly just junk in there. Unexciting junk. I have 6 minutes to do a drawing, because there has to be some kind of reason. I've got to make it worth your while being here watching this highly educational video. I don't know what to draw. I know what to draw. Got it. There you go.